What are private files? Every user in Moodle has their personal file storage area known as private files. This is useful as a teacher if you like to organise your files into named folders and upload them privately until you want to display them on your course. It's also useful for students if they start work during the day, save their work in their private files, complete it at home and then submit it to their teacher later. Private files can be accessed from the nav drawer on the left, and there's also a private files block which may be added to the dashboard or to a course page. If we click to manage private files, we can see what it looks like. We can, if the browser allows, simply drag a file to the private files area. We could click Add and add from the file picker, or we can create a folder and upload files into there. So let's create a folder called Vocabulary, and then when we click to create the folder, we can then click into it and upload straight into this folder. I'm going to click the Add button and go to Moodle's file picker, which we've seen in a separate video, and then choose the file to add to my private files vocabulary folder. We can change its name if we want, change the author if we want, change the license from the site default if needed, and then when we click upload this file, it's important to remember to save the changes. If we don't, we're given a message to remind us. Private Files now has the folder with the file in, which we can access at a later date to display on our course. And finally, if your administrator allows it, you can send files to your private files as email attachments. If you're able to do this on your Moodle site, you'll see an email address in the private files area, and this is the address that you use to email files.